Welcome to Guidance Channel. Today we will discuss how to use PowerPoint and we will learn the different
features available in the PowerPoint.
So once you open PowerPoint, you will have a blank screen and where you can choose the layout. And after choosing the layout, you can type your presentation. Here I have shown Welcome to Guidance Channel by PW Willjoy. So this is a layout, and there are different types of layout you can choose in it. And once you choose the layout, then you can go to design. Then in design you have various type of background design which is available. You can choose any of it. So I have chosen here one of the layout, and there is also slide orientation where you can use it as a portrait or landscape. So I am going to use it in a landscape mode. Then further, then you can also move to animation. So in animation you will have various type of animations available for the screen, and you can choose the animation also in that. So I have chosen one of the animation here. Then you can also have the transition sound for that animation. So I have chosen camera here. Okay, after then you can mention the speed. You can have fast, medium, slow for that animation. After then I have gone into insert. I have inserted a new slide. So this is another type of layout. So here is a different types of layout I have already mentioned. So you can choose the layout which I have chosen another type of layout. Here you can have your heading. So learn how to use PowerPoint, or here in this video we are going to learn how to insert pictures. So in click to add test, you will find 6 type of options. One is to insert table. I'll come to that particular area. Here you can mention the content which you wanted to type. So here you can add your text or whatever details you require to mention about that. So there is an option. You can insert a table, you can insert chart, you can insert graphics, you can insert motions. So I am going to insert a picture, and I've chosen a picture here. So this picture would come in that particular area. After then,
In the other side, you can increase the size and font of
text. Then there is another option in the picture. You can make it quick style. You can show the design of it, mention the design of it. Then you have size and position option where you can mention where exactly or how exactly your picture should look like. You can adjust the height and width. So here I am adjusting the heights and width, and so you can increase or you can decrease. This is up to you, and even you can rotate according to your need. So here there is a rotation option. I am just clicking on the rotation part, and automatically the picture rotates. So this is an option which is provided in PowerPoint. You can scale it, you can adjust the height and width, you can rotate according to your need. Okay, and you can reduce the size of it. Okay, I am increasing the scale to, and you can move that also. So you can position your picture and according to your need and desire. Okay, then I'm going to size and position again. Then there is another option called position. In position you can position in horizontal way, or anywhere, like from centered point to top left corner, or any position you can choose. And like that wise you can also do it in a vertical way also. Alt test shows your picture name and other thing. You can also change the picture name in this. After that I have moved to review. In review there is show markup is also available. Show markup is nothing but you can have markups in every slides. Okay, here you can type your notes and keep it ready. So this is useful when you go through your presentation. If you wanted to have a special notes, you can have markups in that. So this is another option. And after then, like you can go to date and time. You can fix date and time, apply to the chart. There is another option like word art. In word art you can choose which type of font you want, and you can decorate that PowerPoint with the word art also. You can type there, you can have your text here. For example, if you want a very good at heading, and you can use word art, and you can have a bold type, different colored type. And this is another option. and you can position it also in according to your need. Okay, so now I'll show you how to position it. So now I'm trying to drag the picture behind so after then, if you are not interested with that, you can also position the word art also into different area. So it's up to you. It's in PowerPoint you can, it's purely like you can position your word art or even your picture to your need. So then there is a spell check option. You can also have a spell check. Then what I'm going to discuss is how to create a grayscale in it. So you can make this color into a grayscale, completely black and white. That is an option which is available in grayscale. Then after then I gone to design again. In design there is a background style option where you can change the background. I have chosen some of the background which is available in that. So you can also change the background anytime. Okay, so it's not, so there are three things: layout, background. Okay, so this is another option. Then you can also add sound for that particular presentation. If you wanted to add a sound, you can click on that. Once you play that PowerPoint presentation, automatically the sound which is being inserted will automatically play. So the speaker like icon shown in the PowerPoint presentation plays the sound during the PowerPoint presentation. Then you can align it. Okay, so these are the other options which is available in it. Then I already discussed about the slide orientation, that portrait or landscape, whichever option which is good, you can choose it. Then the content captions, you can change the layout also, because there are different type of layouts, and which layout will be suitable, you can very much insert that layout. You can, after that you can change the styling of the picture or what, and you can also change the style and text over there. This is very much available. Okay, the word art can be tilted also. So it's up to you how you going to use it, or you can drag it down or you can bring it up. These are all available in PowerPoint according to your need and according the subject which you are going to type in PowerPoint presentation. You can use it. Now I'm going to insert a new slide. In this new slide I'm going to teach how to save this PowerPoint presentation as a picture, and you can save this picture in different format, in JPEG, BMP, PNP, and you can use it as a picture also. The benefit of saving as a picture is useful when you wanted to show a particular slide as a picture, and you can use this PowerPoint as a picture also. So I'm showing it how it happens. Once I saved it as a picture, you can see that blank presentation here. I'll show you the other presentation also if I save that. Okay, there is another option. You can directly go to save as, click on the option open document presentation, click on that. There you can click it as a JPEG file or PNG file, whichever the format you want, and JPEG file I have chosen, and I have saved it in desktop. You can either save it in for every slide or even for the current slide. So now you can see that whatever you have typed in PowerPoint, it has been converted as a picture. So this is another option given in PowerPoint. It is not necessary that you have to use it in a PowerPoint only. You can also use it as a picture also. So now I'll teach you how to change the layout. There is a different layout which I have chosen. I have already shown this to you. Now we will learn to insert graph. Okay, so in this slide we are going to insert a new graph, and click on the graph where you will graph icon inside in that particular box, and you can choose which type of graph you want. Okay, there are different type of bar graph, is there, pie chart is available. So I have chosen a graph here, and in that graph you can mention the category as well as series. In categories you can mention the name, and in series you can mention the marks. So automatically and you can, in the series 1, 2, 3, you can mention, for example, Vijay has scored 50, 60 and 25 in various subjects, Hindi, English and Malayalam respectively. Then you can mention that, and you can insert these kind of graphs in your PowerPoint. In coming videos we will discuss the other features in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching Guidance channel, and kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for notification.